Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining today's class once again. Today, we'll be considering circle geometry involving inclusion of several circle theorems and quadrilateral. There will be quadrilateral in the circle geometry. There will be and also several theorems also being included. What you need to do is to understand all the circle theorems so that when you see them, you can easily identify the one to apply. Now, let's see. We have to look for the values of x, y, and also angle A, B, C. Where you're having the question mark is the angle we are looking for. Now, what we need to do is to look at the question critically. One of the circle theorem says sum of the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Supplementary means that it's equals to 180 degrees. Let's see the cyclic quadrilateral in this diagram. When you look at it critically, you can see that all the 4 points are touching the circumference. It means that it's a cyclic quadrilateral because all the 4 points of the diagrams are touching the circumference. Due to that, you can now say the angle BCD plus angle BED equals to 180 degrees, which means that they are supplementary. Now let's write it down. Angle BCD plus angle BED equals 180 degrees. What's the reason? The reason is very important, as sum of angles in a cyclic sum of angle in a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. They are supplementary. Now, what is the angle? Angle, when you are referring to angle being shown by the sides, is referring to the angle on the letter at the middle of the letter being written. Is that okay? It's referring to angle on this C and angle on E. Let's see the angle on C. That's 2x plus 40 degree. 2x plus 40 degree plus angle BED plus 2y plus 10 degree equals 180 degree. Now 2x plus 2y plus 40, let's rearrange it, plus 10 degree equals 180 degree. 2 into x plus y, because 2 is common to 2x and 2y. You can see 2x, 2y, factorize it out, plus 40 plus 10, that's plus 50 degree equals 180 degree. Let's take 50 degree across the cosine, turn to negative 50. Now 2 into x plus y equals 180 degree minus 50 degree. Now 2 into x plus y equals 180 degree minus 50 degrees, that's 130 degree. Divide both sides by 2. 2 cancel 2. 2 into 1. 2 in 13, that's 6. Remainder 1. 2 in 10. That remainder 1, bring it at the front of this 0, turn to 10. 2 in 10, that's 5. Now of x plus y equals to 65 degree. That's our equation 1. Now let's make y the subject of the formula in equation 1 so that as we are solving it from the second equation, you can substitute the value of y in the second equation. Now of y to be equals to 65 minus x. When the x cross to the other side, it was positive before. When it cross the equal sign, turn to negative. Let's call the equation 2. Y equals to 65 minus x. Now let's write the equation 1 down. X plus y equals to 65 degree. Equation 1. Y equals to 65 minus x. That's equation 2. Have it as that. Now let's see the other theorem. Angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Angle at the center of the circle. Now let's say angle at the center of the circle, that's angle BAD. Just write angle BAD equals 2 times angle BED. Angle BED. What's the reason? Angles at the center of the circle is twice the angle at the circumference. Where the circumference. Okay? Angle at the center of the circle is twice the angle at the circumference. Now, when you know that, what's angle BAD? Angle BAD is 5x minus 35. 5x minus 35 degree equals to 2 times open bracket 2y plus 10 degree, close the bracket. Now you're having 5x minus 35 degree. Let's open the bracket. 2 times 2y, that's 4y, plus 2 times 10, that's 20. Now let's bring 4y across the equal sign to the left hand side. 4y will now turn to negative 4y. 5, we want to turn it to simultaneous equation to be in terms of x and y on one side, and the constant will be at the other side, which is the constant will be at the right hand side. 5x minus 4y equals 20 minus 35 cross the equal sign turn to plus 35. That's 20 degree plus 35 degree. 5x minus 4y equals 20 degree plus 35 degree, that's 55 degree. That will be our equation 3. Now let's substitute y equals to 6 minus x in equation 3. Substitute y equals 65 minus x in equation 3. so that you can get this, the value of x. Now 5x, anyway, see y, replace with 65 minus x. 5x minus 4, open bracket. This 4 is multiplying y, that's why we open the bracket, so that you can multiply both 65 and minus x. 65 minus x equals to 55 degree. And let's open the bracket. 5x minus 4 times 65. 65 times 4. 4 times 5, 20, 0 carry 2. 4 times 6, 24, plus 2, 26. That's 4 times 65, that's minus 260. Minus 4 times minus 8, that's plus 4x, equals to 55 degree. This minus 260 degree. Now let's collect the items. We're having 5x we're having 5 the equation. Let's see equation 3. Equation 3 is 5x minus 4y equals to 55. That's equation 3. Now from here, now 5x plus 5x plus 4x minus, okay, take minus 260 across the cos sign to make 55 degree, becomes 55 degree plus negative 260 turn to positive, and across the cos sign plus 260 degree. 5x plus 4x, that's 9x, equals 55 plus 260 degree. 260 degree plus 55 degree. 0 plus 5, that's 5. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 carry 1. 2 plus 1, that's 3. Yes, 315 degree. Divide both side by 9. 9 cancel 9. 9 goes in 9 1 times. 9 goes in 31, that is 3. You mean the 4. Put 4 in front of 45. 9 goes in 45, that's 5 times. Therefore, our x equals to 35 degree. The value of x is 35 degree. What you need to do is to substitute the value of x in equation 1. You can pick any of the equation, but I'm substituting it in equation 1. Having x, which is 35 degree, plus y equals to 65 degree. Now, collect the items. You're having y equals to 65 degree minus 35 degree. When 35 cross the cosine turn to negative, from positive turn to negative value, which is 65 minus 35 degree. 5 minus 5 is 0, 6 minus 3, that's 3. That's y equals 30 degree. You can confirm it, you can check to know whether if you are correct from any of the equation. You can see when you subtract, you put the value of x, which is 35, plus 30, which is y, it will give you 65 degree. If you go to equation 3, you likewise, you still have 55 degree, which means that what you got is correct. And so therefore, our x equals 35 degree and y equals 30 degree. The B part of the question, we have to look for angle ABC. We have to look for angle ABC. You can see angle ABC. Now you can this triangle, this shape, the shape ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay, you can now write it as angle B, angle BAD plus angle ABC, angle ABC plus angle BCD plus angle CDA plus angle CDA equals to 360 degree. Sum of angles in a quadrilateral. That was makes it to be equals to 360 degree. What's angle BAD? Angle BAD is 5x minus 35 plus angle ABC, that's what we're looking for, plus angle BCD, which is plus 2x plus 40 degree, plus angle CDA or ADC, that's plus another 40 degree equals 360 degree. What you need to do is to replace the value of x. Since we have the value of x to be 35, don't forget our x equals 35 degree, our y equals 30 degree. Now let's put the value of x. 5 into 35 minus 35 plus angle ABC plus 2 into x, which is 35, plus 40 degree plus 40 degree equals 360 degree. Now let's multiply 35 times 5. 5 times 5, 25. Put 5 down, carry 2. 5 times 3, that's 15 plus 2, that's 17. 175 minus 35 plus angle ABC plus, let's multiply 35 times 2. 5 times 2, that's 2 times 5, that's 10. 0 carry 1. 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, 7. That's 70 plus 40 plus 40 equals 360 degree. That is our angles. Okay. Now 175 minus 35 minus 35. Don't forget, this is why we're subtracting this first, because it's in brackets. Don't forget, this one are in brackets. 2x plus 40. Solve the one inside bracket. When you follow BODMAS, don't forget BODMAS. BODMAS, bracket before addition. That's 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 3, 4. That's 140. 140 plus angle ABC plus, you have 2x, 70, do this likewise. 70 plus 40, that is, don't forget this together. 70 plus 40, that's 110 degree plus 40 degree, plus 360 degree. Now And I have angle ABC equals 140 plus 110, 140 plus 110, that's 0 plus 0, 0, 4 plus 1, 5, 1 plus 1, that's 2, plus another 40, 0, 0, 0, 5 plus 4, that's 9. Let's bring 2 down. We have angle ABC plus 290 equals 360 degree. Angle ABC equals quadrilateral terms 360 degree minus 290 degree. Therefore, angle ABC equals, let's do the subtraction, 360 degree minus 290 degree. 0 minus 0, that's 0. 6 minus 9, impossible. Borrow 1 from 3 to 6 becomes 16. It remains 2. 16 minus 9, that is 7. That's 360 minus 360 degree minus 290 degrees is equals to 70 degree. That brings us to the end of the class. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates, and also don't forget to leave your question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class. Have a wonderful day.